Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Tragically, in contrast to numerous other cryptographic forms of money, Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, has not seen a critical cost expansion in the present digital currency markets. The $0.001 level has been a customary wellspring of disappointment for Terra Luna Classic, LUNC. Bitcoin's cost has seen vertical energy since the arrival of the purchaser cost file report, and it is presently endeavoring to recover the $25,000 mark. It's conceivable that Lunc will keep on uniting at these levels assuming Bitcoin's ongoing ascent holds. Is there going to be a siphoning of Terra Luna Classic, and if not, what are the choices? Land Luna Classic, LUNC, price forecast in 2022. Right now, by far most of digital currencies are in the green as Bitcoin's cost floods past the $24,000 obstruction. As market opinion has turned positive and euphoric today, many significant digital forms of money have shown green cost developments. Because of its 3.08% decrease in Ethereum comparative with Ethereum and 3.94% decrease in Ethereum comparative with Bitcoin, Terra Luna Classic should have been deserted. With a market valuation of $645 million, Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, has ascended to number 231 on CoinMarketCap's digital money rankings. The cost of Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, on the 5-minute time period has as of late fallen beneath the help level of $0.0000986, tumbling to a low of $0.0009786. Albeit the long wick at the light's opening demonstrates a descending pattern, the resulting up development of the cost shows a high measure of movement. Land Luna Classic might encounter a bullish inversion and retest the $0.0000986 cost level on the off chance that it can build up adequate speed. At present, the day-to-day graph for Terra Luna Classic actually shows a green flame, however quite possibly the day might end in red. Land Luna Classic could retake the $0.000101 level in September if the crypto markets can move their new energy along for the following couple of weeks. A feasible objective toward the finish of Q4 2022 could be a revisitation of the $0.000118 cost level on the off chance that adequate gathering can be accomplished at current levels. What is Terra Classic, LUNC? Land is a blockchain convention that utilizes fiat fixed stablecoins to drive cost-stable worldwide installments frameworks. As indicated by its white paper, Terra joins the cost strength and wide reception of government-issued types of money with the oversight opposition of Bitcoin, BTC, and offers quick and reasonable repayments. Advancement on Terra started in January 2018, and its mainnet authoritatively sent off in April 2019. As of September 2021, it offers stablecoins fixed to the US dollar, South Korean won, Mongolian tugrik and the International Monetary Fund's special drawing rights bushel of monetary standards, and it expects to carry out extra choices. On May 28, 2022, the beginning block of the new chain was sent off to go through with future exchanges under the name Terra, LUNA, and the first Terra chain was rebranded as Terra Classic. The first local token, Luna, has likewise been renamed as Luna Classic, LUNC. Besides, all organization stablecoins, UST, KRT, IT, have been renamed to Terra Classic Stablecoins, USTC, KRTC, UTC. There will be no Terra stablecoins on the new chain. There is a hypothesis that the extra term exemplary is a reference to the Ethereum Classic split in 2017. As per CEO Do Kwon, the breakdown of USD in the spring of 2022 is the same snapshot of the Ethereum's DAO hack that occurred in 2017. What is Luna Classic, LUNC? Luna Classic, LUNC, is the main local badge of Terra blockchain delivered in August 2018. Lunc existed before the send-off of the new chain, presently marked Terra, LUNA, and works with the first code of the Terra environment. The fundamental capability that the local token performed was to retain the value deviation of the algorithmic stablecoin, $U.S.T. The cost of the USD stablecoin was fixed to the US dollar by stamping and consuming USD tokens to adjust the organic market of the coin. In May 2022, UST lost its stake and imploded. The USD stablecoin calculation made trillions of Luna tokens, fell into a hyperinflationary winding, and decreased the worth of the first Luna token by close to 100%. Peruse the full breakdown of the Terra crash. When will the Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, pump? As per specialized investigation, Lunc might have tracked down the lower part of its new decay. Land Luna Classic flooded to $0.000167 on June 29, 2022. We simply accomplished a bullish circle back after a revision down to the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement zone. That there is such a lot of excitement for Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, at this price tag is obvious proof of its authenticity. As of this moment, Terra Luna Classic is exchanging close to the 0.618 level, which is right over the brilliant pocket Fibonacci retracement range. At some point when all the Terra Luna Classic available for use has been singed, I expect a new endeavor to outperform the ongoing territorial high of $0.000167. A bullish breakout, affirmed areas of strength for by volume, can be expected with some precision utilizing the Fibonacci expansion device. I expect a cost of generally $0.000223 for Terra Luna Classic in 2022 in the event that it builds up some decent momentum over the accompanying half a month. On the 9th of June 2022, Lunc flooded to a nearby high of over 300% before it started to address a little yet liberal 131% return for Lunc financial backers is conceivable on the off chance that Terra Luna Classic scopes $0.000223 this year. Fibonacci expansion recommends hyper bullish points over the $0.0004 cost level. Yet I accept there are presently too many negative externalities forestalling a huge buyer market on a macroeconomic scale to legitimize such grandiose assumptions. Options in contrast to Terra Luna Classic, LUNC? Could we at any point anticipate huge gets back from exchanging or holding Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, this year? Without much more proof, it's hard to foresee where the cost of Lunc will wind up. The cost and recuperation of the Terra Luna environment are still harmed by the holder reaction to massive FUD after the Terra Luna crash in May 2022. For the people who are worried about the unpredictability of their Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, prop